Hello, good afternoon everybody. It is your everyday friendly fan handyman here once again. It is Monday the 21st, and this is another package that just came in today. This was something that I ordered off of eBay, and we're gonna crack open this box here. We're gonna pop it open and we're gonna see what we have. I've got my fan there in the window drawing out the pollen, so let me go ahead and turn this off. Okay, here it is, everybody. This is another fan acquire that I purchased off of eBay here this past week. We're gonna cut this box open and we're gonna see what we have here, and I will do a demonstration. And I think that you're all in it for a very special treat here. Okay, here we go. Well, it was very well shipped. He shipped it with garments. There it is. Okay, everybody. Here it is. A good old, robust, handy 1950s Wizard hassock fan. And yes, it's another Wizard. It's exactly as I saw in the picture. This is the first hassock fan to my collection, and at least more or less of us fan collectors have had at least one of these in our collection. But I do have fond memories of these. I just remember my grandparents had one many years ago. I can't remember exactly what brand it was. I don't know if it was a Wizard. But we'll go ahead and we'll read the information tag here. It is a CAT 6JC2418. It's 3 positions. It's the original knob. And draws 115 volts and 60 cycle, 70 watts and AC only. Hassock. Looks to be in very good shape. It appears to be a teal blue color. I like that color too, by the way. Just shows signs of age and use, as usual. Here is the ring projector ventilator there, the rings. Here's the power cord to it. Pretty sure that was the original, but as it so appears that it was replaced at one point as the non-polarized lamp light plug. Go ahead and let's flip it on its side here and have a closer look at it. Okay, so here's the side of it. Here are the holes there going up into the top for drawing air in through the motor. There's a 4-blade set to it. Looks like the blade set that we saw on many of the desk and the smaller box fans. So look at see how it spins. Yep, it's gonna need some maintenance to it. It is slightly dirty. This is steel too, by the way. This is just I think this is just aluminum. Okay, so now I have the fan plugged in, and I did test it before I resumed the video. There's no sparks or fire or anything like that, so that's a good thing. Well, let's go ahead and test this thing and see what it's capable of. Let's start up here on the high speed. Okay, it's very quiet, came right up to speed. Ooh, that's nice. So let's knock it down to medium. And as you can hear, it does have a little noise to it. Sounds like barren noise. Okay, it's slightly seized up on low. So yeah, this thing is definitely going to need some work to it. I think I'm really going to like this. It's not a bad performer. It's basically more or less like a ceiling fan on the floor, in my opinion. Sorry for the noise in the background. Yeah, you see how quickly it came to a stop. So yeah, I definitely, I've got a lot of work to do to this thing. Let's go ahead and start it up again. You can see how it's starting to slow down at low. I don't want to take my chances by wrecking the motor on it before I even have the chance to restore it. Okay, now we'll turn it off. Okay. Not bad for this 1950s hassock fan. This is another vintage fan to my restoration list too. By the way, I'm still working on the Wizard box fan right now. Actually, I'm gonna get back to that today, and you shall be seeing a video on that momentarily. This is the first hassock fan in addition to my collection, and I happen to have a thing for these old Wizards, and I'm gonna try to get more of them in the future. I think the next one I'll try to get will be the three-bladed wizard. Well, there you go, everybody. There is the new my new fan acquired today, and I hope that you've enjoyed. This is going to be restored. I've got a lot of work to do with it here. Please post in comments and like, subscribe, and more videos to come. Bye bye.